Had a couple of bites. First got to hit and stay on, that is. I've had a couple of really good strikes, so that's got me confident that there's some definitely bigger ones. I don't got a bunt board anymore. Actually, I do. It's in pieces behind me. Goes to 18. So he's... Actually, let's grab the other piece. And we'll just keep that below us to measure. He's about a 19 and a half. Good way to start the morning. Here we go. Popped another one. Smaller guy. Felt bigger at first. There's trout blowing up on the top of the water right here. A little drum. Little drum. Just had a big fish on out behind me. I was like slow trolling it just to get moved back into position. Darn. Not a bad little guy. Very next cast on the drop. It feels pretty good. No, you're just swimming with the current. I mean, not terrible, but it's not no gator trout that I'm used to. Well, used to lately. About a 16, 17 probably. Right at 18. Hooked a nice one. Might be a striper. Woo. Noticed a huge trout. Ugh. Sucks I got that guy mid hookup, but I was reversing in because there's a lot of boats coming around, as you saw, and I didn't have the camera on. I'm not used to this. I don't film anymore. That's a pretty big boy right there. I'm a rookie at filming, what can I say? Yeah, 22-incher. Thing put together. Dang. He's a shy of 23. Just shy. This thing put back together. It's just shy of 23. Little skier. Alright, that's going to be it for the quick morning trip. Maybe I'll post this. I don't know. It's been a while. We'll see. If you liked it, do the thing. Comment, like, and subscribe. Maybe I'll see y'all again. Maybe I won't. Appreciate y'all.